everyone, today I want to share with you why I absolutely love being a front-end developer. It's a career that combines creativity, logic and innovation in a way that only few professions can. From crafting visually stunning designs that people interact with daily to solving complex technical challenges behind the scenes, front-end development offers a unique balance of art and science. But beyond technical aspects, it's a field that constantly pushes me to grow, adapt and think outside of the box. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, my name is Chris. I'm a web developer with years of experience in building, optimizing and designing websites. And today I'm excited to take you through the reasons behind my passion for front-end development and why I think this might be a perfect path for you too. Problem solving. First and foremost, I love solving puzzles. For me, every day as a front-end developer feels like being handed a new puzzle, with pieces scattered all over the place. Sometimes it's something straightforward like fixing a layout that's not aligned properly, but other times it's a deep dive into complex code just to figure out why a specific function is throwing an error, but only under certain conditions. These challenges keep me sharp and engaged because no two problems are ever the same. And the best part for me is the process of solving them. Then comes the research phase, where you're combing through documentation, running experiments, or even asking the colleagues or community for help. And then, finally, that light bulb moment happens. You figure it out, apply the fix, and everything clicks into place. That sense of accomplishment is like no other. But it's not just about fixing what's broken, it's all about improving things. Sometimes solving problems means coming up with an innovative way to approach them. For example, making a website load faster, improving user accessibility, or reducing code complexity for future developers to work more effectively. Each challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. And honestly, that's why I look forward to tackling issues every single day. Learning new skills. As a web developer, you're never stuck in one place. This is a field where constant learning isn't encouraged, it's required. Technology evolves at light speed, which means there's always new framework, library or technique to explore. And for someone like me who loves learning, it's a huge part of what I enjoy this career. Take JavaScript frameworks for example. Just when you think you've mastered one, another one pops up that's faster, more efficient or better suited for a specific kind of project. Or think about performance optimization. There's always a new trick to make your site load faster, whether it's lazy loading images, compressing files, or leveraging cutting-edge APIs. Learning how to create interfaces that are not just visually appealing, but also intuitive for users to use, it's a skill that keeps growing over time. The beauty of web development is that every project pushes me to learn something new. And it's not just technical skills, web development teaches you how to effectively collaborate with others, manage your time and communicate complex ideas clearly. Every skill that I pick up makes me better at my job, and that growth is also incredibly rewarding. Salary and benefits. Let's not beat around the bush. Web development is a lucrative field, and that's also a big part why I enjoy it so much. It's no secret that developers are in demand right now. With businesses across every industry relying on their websites and web apps, the need for skilled professionals is only growing. This demand means competitive salaries and also many opportunities for advancement. But the benefits go beyond paycheck. One of the things that I appreciate the most is the flexibility that comes with this career. Many roles offer remote work, which means I can work from anywhere, whether it's comfort of my home, co-working space or even a beach, as long as there's a Wi-Fi. There's also opportunity to freelance. Whether you want to be your own boss or choose your own projects, web development is a fantastic way to do it. And let's talk about stability. Tech industry is one of the fastest growing sectors in the world, and web development skills are always in demand. Whether you're working for a startup, big corporation or as a freelancer, you can rest easy knowing that your skill set is valuable and marketable. The combination of financial security, flexibility and career growth make this career not only enjoyable but also very practical. Creating new solutions. One of the most fulfilling parts of being front-end developer is the ability to create. There's something magical about taking in an idea and turning it into something practical and functional that people can use every day. Every feature that I built is like a mini miracle, something that didn't exist before but now has a real-world impact. Creating new solutions often starts with brainstorming and planning. Maybe I'm working with a team to figure out how to implement a feature that makes an app easier to use, or I'm designing an interactive interface that simplifies a complex process for users. From there, it's about breaking down the process into smaller, manageable pieces and figuring out the best way to execute it. And what I love most, those solutions aren't just technical, they're creative. It's not just about writing a code, it's about thinking how users will interact with the feature that you build, how to make it intuitive and engaging, and how to ensure it works seamlessly across many devices and browsers. These are kinds of questions I get to answer every day, and the cherry on top is seeing my solutions come to life. Watching multiple users interact with something that I've built is incredibly rewarding. It's proof that all of the hours of planning, testing and coding were worth it. You can pick different paths. One of the things I love most about being web developer is the sheer variety of paths you can take. This isn't a one-size-fits-all career. Whether you want to specialize in front-end, back-end, full stack or something niche like performance optimization or accessibility, there is for sure a place for you in this field. If you're someone who loves visuals and user experience, front-end might be your jam. It's all about creating beautiful and interactive user interfaces that people use every day. On the other hand, if you're more into logic and architecture of how things are working behind the scenes, back-end development might be your calling. And if you want the best of both worlds, full-stack development lets you flex both of those skills. But it doesn't stop there. The industry is so broad that you can transform into roles like DevOps, technical leadership, or even product management if you want to step away from coding. And because web development skills are so versatile, you're not limited to any one industry. From e-commerce to education to healthcare, every field needs web developers. The freedom to choose your own career or switch it is what makes this career so exciting. I know that wherever my interests take me, there will be opportunity for me to grow, learn, and contribute in a meaningful way. So why I love being a front-end developer? It's the thrill of solving problems, the joy of constant learning, the perks of a great salary and flexibility, the creativity of building new solutions, and the freedom to forge my own path. It's the career that keeps me engaged, challenges me daily, and gives me tools to make impact in digital world. If you're considering web development career, I say you go for it. It's a journey filled with opportunities and rewards. Thanks for watching. If you want to see how I become a web developer, you can watch this video, and as always, like, comment and subscribe.